In this video, you'll learn about data column scoring within your lead scoring profile. The options available for data column scoring can be found by clicking into the tab titled Data Column. The scoring will be based on database information that the individual has on their lead or contact record. Essentially, these rules will apply bonus points to an individual who meets the rule after making a scoreable action. These bonus points will only apply if they meet the criteria set within the rule. For example, you create a data column rule to award 5 points to anyone who has the word director in their title. When an individual who has director in their title clicks an email, they'll receive 2 points for the email click and an additional 5 points for meeting this rule. The goal of data column scoring is to award points to individuals who meet the criteria of your target audience, whether it's based on their industry, title, or even location. To create a data score, click Add New. For the table name, only the contacts table is available. This means you can only create data column rules on the lead and contact level. For column name, select the field you would like to reference from the contacts table. This includes all custom fields from CRM. For the value, you need to select the operator and type the exact value. Your operators include equals, is less than or greater than, is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, contains, begins with, ends with, or is within geo. Next, you want to add the score. Remember, this score will only be awarded to the individual if their title in Sugar Market contains Vice President, and they completed a separate scoreable action defined in your profile that triggered this rule. You'll make sure the status is set to active and click Save. Once all your changes are made, scroll up and click Save again. You can add as many data score rules as you like within the profile, and just like the other rules you create, these can be edited over time to stay relevant. The goal is to pass qualified leads to sales through lead scoring, and adding demographic scoring will boost the scores of those qualified leads. Now that you've gone through a complete lead scoring overview, you should have the tools necessary to set up your lead scoring profile. Thanks for tuning in.